Good morning all. Welcome to Exam Notes 365. In this video, we will discuss about the important current affairs on 12 January 2022. Let's start. What is the motto of Commonwealth Games 2022? Games for everyone. Commonwealth Games Queen's Pattern arrived in India. Commonwealth Games is an international multi-sport event for members of the Commonwealth that is scheduled to be held in Birmingham, England. What do you mean by Commonwealth of Nations, or generally known as Commonwealth? It is a political association of 54 member states, almost all of which are the former territories of the British Empire. The Commonwealth Games Federation, currently known as Commonwealth Sport, is the international organization responsible for the direction and control of the Commonwealth Games and Commonwealth Youth Games and is the governing body of the Commonwealth Games Associations. Where is the headquarters of Commonwealth Sport? London. And who is the president of Commonwealth Sport? James Louis Martin. Who is the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs in India? Anurag Thakur. Name the South African cricketer who had retired from all forms of cricket recently. Chris Morris. Chris Morris is a former South African professional cricketer who played first-class and Lister cricket for Titans and played for South African national cricket team. There are three capitals for South Africa: Pretoria, Cape Town, and Bloemfontein. Who is the president of South Africa? Cyril Ramaphosa. And the currency is South African rand. Francois Carré passed away recently. He was the former Director General of International Olympic Committee. Where is the headquarters of International Olympic Committee? Lausanne, Switzerland. The president is Thomas Bach. Who is the Director General of International Olympic Committee? Christophe de Kupper. Winter Olympics 2022 that is going to be held in Beijing. The motto is Together for a Shared Future. Who is the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs in India? Anurag Thakur. Name the European Parliament President who had passed away recently. The answer is David Maria Sassoli. The European Parliament is one of the law-making institutions of European Union. It is directly elected by the European Union voters every 5 years. What do you mean by European Union? It is a political and economic union of 27 member states that are located primarily in Europe. Who has been appointed as the chief economist of IMF? The answer is Pierre-Olivier Gouringes. He is replacing Geeta Gopinath, who is joining the IMF management team this month. International Monetary Fund is an organization of 190 countries working to foster global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote high employment and sustainable economic growth, and reduce poverty around the world. It is formed on 27 December 1945. Where is the headquarters of IMF? Washington, D.C. The MD is Kristalina Georgieva. Andorra became the 109th member of IMF on 16th October 2020. Name the company that has replaced Vivo as IPL title sponsors from this year. Tata Group. Who is the IPL chairman? Brijesh Patel. The administrator of IPL is BCCI. Who is the president of BCCI? Saurav Ganguly, and the headquarters is in Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai. Who is the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs? Anurag Thakur. Which country has announced $308 million in additional humanitarian assistance for Afghanistan recently? USA. The new aid from the US Agency for International Development will be flowed through independent humanitarian organizations. International funding to the Afghanistan was suspended, and billions of dollars of the country's assets abroad, mostly in the United States, were frozen after the Taliban took control of the country in mid-August. Where is the capital of USA? Washington, D.C. Who is the president of USA? Joe Biden. And the currency of USA is US dollar. In which country the surgeons have transplanted pig heart into a human patient? USA. The doctors at the University of Maryland Medical Center say the transplant showed that a heart from a genetically modified animal can function in the human body without immediate rejection. While it is too soon to know if the operation really will work, it marks a step in the decades-long quest to one day use animal organs for life-saving transplants. Where is the capital of USA? Washington, D.C. President is Joe Biden, and the currency of USA is US dollar. For which messenger app has Brian Acton become the interim CEO? Signal. WhatsApp co-founder Brian Acton will be the interim chief executive officer of the messaging app Signal after the company's longtime CEO Moxie Marlinspike stepped down next month. Who has been appointed as chairman of Indian Council of Historical Research? Rigvendra Tanwar. Rigvendra Tanwar, a professor emeritus and former rector of the Kurukshetra University, has been appointed as chairman of the Indian Council of Historical Research. The ICHR has provided financial assistance to historians and scholars through fellowships, grants, and symposia. Who is the Education Minister of India? Sri Dharmendra Pradhan. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. To get more current affairs videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your feedbacks in the comment section. See you tomorrow. Bye.